Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to fix the Kernel32.dll error that appears when your computer starts or when you open a program on Windows. First, we will check and repair missing or damaged system files. Click on the Start menu, type CMD, then right-click on Command Prompt and choose Run as Administrator. In the black window, type sfc/scanno and press Enter. The System File Checker will now scan your system. This may take some time, so wait until it reaches 100%. When it is finished, restart your computer and check if the error is gone. Next, we will check the hard drive for errors. Open Command Prompt as administrator again. This time, type chkdsk:/f/r and press Enter. If Windows asks to schedule the scan on the next restart, type Y and press Enter. Restart your PC and let the scan complete. This process helps fix disk errors that can cause DLL problems. If the Kernel32.dll error only shows up when you open a specific program, the issue is likely with that application. Uninstall the application and install it again. After following these steps, the error should be fixed on most systems. Thanks for watching.